So we're gonna go to Macy's, and I took so long doing my makeup because I was trying to do this new thing from this girl I saw on Twitter. She's like a black cosplay alternative girl. This is how she did her eyeliner. I was like, okay, let me try that. But I also want to try this girl from Instagram. Simple to some people, the eyeliner goes up by the eyelid, and I was like taking so long. So I did something. Focusing because I have no contacts on. And then I tried to do this nose, UK, oh gosh, UK style nose contour. And I think it looks cute. It's giving like rawr, those kind of girls. And it is this. Let me turn it up. I might have to mute it actually.
I just want money that's calm. Teenage never worry about acting. I ain't never been with a body. She calm, so I added to the tally. I just want money that's calm.
And I did it. So I think it looks cute. And I'm gonna show Brian. And I'm trying to think if I want to wear my glasses. So this is no glasses. And this with glasses. But I feel like glasses block some of the stuff that I just did. Like, can you even tell I did all that on my eye? I don't know, I'm trying. Let me see what he says. Okay, Brian, I want to show you my makeup. I want to show you my makeup. Yeah. You have to close your eyes. So I was trying to do something new.
No.
And
you don't like it?
I think I like it, but I don't know. I want you to see it. Maybe turn this way so you can get more light. Oh, you're wearing the bling bling chain.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Ready, set, go.
Oh, looks good.
Okay.
You have you have a little cat tail or
Yeah.
cat eye?
Yeah.
Not cat tail.
Cat eyeliner. And I tried to do.
No, dotty dots.
Yeah, that's like the rawr girls.
Rawr.
I don't know what they're called.
Rawr.
Not like cosplay girls, but they do that too.
They be roaring.
And then to do it up is very hard for me. And the nose contour, you like that?
Yes. It looks skinny.
Yeah,
But
it's the UK way.
I like your big noise.
So look, do you think I should wear my glasses or wear no glasses? Because I feel like the glasses looks nice, but I feel like it's blocking some of what I did.
It is blocking, but like I like it. It's like accented. It draws attention to your eyes.
So what should I do? Wear it?
Take a picture without and with.
Okay. Max Raven. Raven, don't be answering these days. Let me see. If I can get this footage of her not answering, and I put this on the vlog, she'll be like, probably answering now. I don't know if that makes sense. Hey Siri, FaceTime Raven gal.
Making a FaceTime call to Raven Giles.
Raven Giles. Okay. Answer, please. FaceTime unavailable. What? Hey Siri, text Raven gal. I just want to show you something. FaceTime Natos.
Making a FaceTime call to
Maybe
NATO's.
Natos will answer. That's my little sister. It looks better. Look. Can you see? Yeah, it took me forever. This one looks better than this one, I think. Kitty Marie! Let me see Kitty. Okay, so this is how it looks. And I tried to do this UK nose contour on TikTok. It looks very good. So you think I should wear... Hi! Look at my cat. I'm vlogging.
Oh, where's my vanity?
It's here. The old vanity. So you think I should wear my new glasses with it? Like this? But I feel like it's kind of blocking some of the eyes.
I guess we're gonna like take pictures.
But wear contacts and just show everything.
Oh, contacts.
Contacts? Okay. She said wear contacts. It looks like, oh my gosh, I'm a New Yorker. I'm going to be in Manhattan. And I'm going to walk around my Madison Square Garden. That's what it looks like with glasses. Like, but with no glasses, it looks like I'm that girl. I do eyeliner like this every Tuesday and Wednesday, maybe Friday. I'll decide. Comment down below. What should I do?
Yo, I feel like a tourist just because I bees in here.
You a tourist.
I used to work there 2 years ago.
You from Jersey. You still a tourist.
Same location. And we're gonna go inside. Okay. Oh yeah. Look. It was kind of ashy like you said. Ooh. So pretty. Where's the jewelry? That's the main thing.
That way?
It's so Christmassy. Oh yeah, and my dad's perfume. Boucheron.
I don't think that has a forefront.
Yeah, probably not. So for my mom, she wants a ring, which is so random. And I wanted to get my sister on my dad's side, my two sisters, bracelets. But I don't really know. Oh, I was gonna get Nat's an evil eye thing, the ring.
Yeah.
Like this. Rachel Ray. You can't even see, it's so washed out. I just wanted to look nice. I don't know what brand. Oh, that's so pretty. I don't know if she's a studs kind of girl.
I'm a studs kind of boy.
Are you? Because you're trying to get dangly stuff.
I'm trying to get everything.
I keep... Those are pretty.
Sexy. Beautiful. It's so big though.
Yeah.
It's way too big. It's giving rainbow. You can't even see. Oh, yes you can.
It's special. Oh, give me that Cuban link.
Wait, babe.
You know that. If you ask them, you like, okay, it's not that bad. And then you buy
To
it.
get tricked?
Yeah.
This style looks too gothic, and I don't like it.
I didn't like any of this.
Is it for your mom?
If I don't like it for me, she won't like it for her.
I'll show you the honest with you.
Look at this one. Maybe the auto's too dark, but it's so gaudy. Okay.
Oh, this is the kind of stuff I want to get. It is $750.
That's the kind of look I want. But not price. That's the kind of look. Oh my gosh. Look, that's the kind of look I want, but not for that price. 750.
Well, it is 50% off.
Yeah, wow. No, 20. Oh, extra 20.
So it's only really 3.
No, that's too much.
It's only $375.
We got crosses.
You think these are real diamonds?
No.
It says it right here.
Oh.
Why you say no?
I didn't see it said diamond. This is a cubic zirconia right here.
Diamonds, gemstones are cultured pearls may vary in weight. So it must be real. Why are you saying
Because they look exactly the same as the cubic zirconia.
Oh, so that's not good.
No, because I think diamonds last longer. But I don't think it's worth. I honestly would never buy diamonds.
I want diamonds, Brian. You have to. If I want diamonds, you have to buy diamonds. I want mine diamonds. Miner.
Never.
People that love to mine in my. I want a cross necklace.
They probably have.
Where is the cross section? So far, the ones that I like are $750. Oh no, Brian. Not dull crosses. Bling bling.
He's showing me these plain crosses. Remember the one I showed you? This one. I found these that I want to get for me and my mom for like $150 each. So that's good. This side. Can I smell a sample of it? Wait. Oh, record me? It does smell like it's strong.
You can put it on me.
No, I'll put it on you.
Yeah, I smell like your dad. Well, I smell it from here. What the fuck?
My dad wants this. This one smells better, but this is not his scent.
I mean, it smells kind of similar, but just like a tad bit better, yeah.
I'll just get the one that he wants.
You want the set, right? Yeah. The set is gonna be like $5. $5.
Is it 130?
Smell the skin.
Oh, okay. It's coming through a little bit.
Fuck you up.
It's good. We're trying to find the bras and pants that I used to wear. The intimates. I would be like folding those underwears and we were in Bali. Bali was my section and Maiden Form.
So which one's
And
good?
jockey. Oh my gosh, jockey was my section. No, they're all good. It's just like, what look do you want and what comfort do
Well,
you
you
want?
said that you work here, so you know which ones are good and bad.
Yeah, none of these on this part is bad. I mean, this area.
Or just saying that you work here.
I don't work here no more. I want to hold it like this, but I want to use my right hand. Okay, help me find like browns.
Wow.
It's not the same prices as online though.
They're not factoring in the sales prices.
I don't want jockey actually. Let's go back to Bali. So I want browns and blacks and yeah. I think this was in my, oh no. You see like how this looks comfortable, but it looks granny? It looks comfortable but granny. I don't want granny. I just want comfortable. Like this looks granny. See how high the neck is? I don't want all of that.
Show some cleavage.
Not just like that. I mean, cute. Look, it's so cute. Look at Brian. He is the handsomest boy in the block.
Why are you showing me? What the fuck is this?
I'm tired.
A new
It's-
era of strapless?
It looks upside down.
It does.
Why does it look? Maybe it is upside down. We are
Why are they
gonna
all upside
leave.
down?
I don't know. Maybe it's easier to hang because the boning is here. I'm tired of this. Let's get out of here. Let's go to the Christmas and then let's leave.
Okay. Either way, shorty.
Okay.